Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about argan oil and a review on Indulgeo argan oil. We all use oils for our skin, right? Argan oil is something originated in Morocco and it gained popularity in skincare industry in recent years. It is produced in the kernel of argan tree, which is widely available in Morocco. It was used by the people in Morocco for beauty, skincare and hair care benefits. They also use it for cooking and now it is used in cosmetics. So it is called as a liquid gold in Morocco. Some of the benefits of argan oil are: it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It reduces signs of aging. It can treat some skin conditions. It can promote wound healing. It is a best moisturizer for hair and skin. It is used for stretch marks. Now we are coming to the product review. Indulgeo is a quite popular brand now and it has a wide range of face serums and oils available. It is available online in Nykaa, Flipkart and Amazon. I check reviews, but this video is completely based on my own experience. I used this for 1 month and the bottle got over now. I'm thinking of purchasing it again. If you are using only for face, this bottle will last little longer, maybe for 2 months. We lose moisture from skin for various reasons, due to age, due to pollution, sometimes due to sitting under AC. Oils are necessary to incorporate into our skincare regimen. If you have an oily skin, then it's really tough to choose an oil because it should not make your face more oily, right? Argan oil does not clog your pores, and that's why I choose to use this, because other oils break me out. Now we need to consider the comedogenic rating of oil before applying it on our skin. The consistency of argan oil is light, not too light, but it's not at all heavy on the skin. There are two methods you can use this. One is you can directly use 1 or 2 drops and massage all over your face and neck in upward motions. Second is you can just mix 1 or 2 drops in your moisturizer or cream and apply it all over your face. Now coming to my experience, I have an oily skin and I use this on alternate days. I don't use it every day, but I have used this on face, hair and my hand and feet also. When I use on face, I notice some changes after few weeks, that it make my skin texture very smooth. It really softens the skin. This didn't give me any irritation or it developed any pimple. Another thing is, even if you have any dry patch on skin, especially during winter time, this will help in healing it. It also works well on cracked lips. I used it on my hand and feet too to help with the dryness, and I have a very dry skin on my hand and feet but an oily face. This helped to give some moisture to the dry areas. As you can see, this is a glass jar in green color which comes with the dropper. When I used it on hair, I noticed that it didn't make my hair greasy, but at the same time it gave moisture to my scalp and hair without making it oily. It didn't look oily or greasy. But make sure you use it in just few drops and not too much. As you can see, this has been completely absorbed into my skin and no traces of oil is left on my hand. So this is what I like about argan oil. And coming to the price of the product, this comes in 750 rupees for 30 ml of the product, which is little pricey, but keep in mind that argan oil is always a bit pricey since the production is limited to few areas. It comes from Morocco originally, so it is a bit pricey. Also, there are very few brands which provide genuine argan oils. There are a lot of fake products available on the internet, so I didn't want to waste my money on any other brand. I have used this, so I'm happy with this product, because we definitely need to incorporate oils in our skincare regimen. I will also try some other brands of argan oil and I will put videos on that too. So I hope you all like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.